How to fix Slack file upload not working? Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent files from uploading. Now, next, see if Slack is experiencing any server issues by visiting Slack status pages. And if servers are down, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved. Now, if you are using a Slack browser, you can try switching to a different browser or clear your browse cache and cookies. If you're using the Slack desktop app, you can restart the app and then try again. Also, make sure that your file meets Slack's upload limit. Free workspaces allows upload of up to 1 GB per file, while paid plans support files up to 20 GB. Check that your file type is also supported. Now, if you're using an ad blocker or browser extension, temporarily disable them. Also, make sure that you have allowed cookies as Slack requires them for some features. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.